Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, the channel where learning English feels simple and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today.
It is. How are you, Paul?
I am great. I am ready to talk about a very important topic speaking.
Yes, today we're talking about English speaking practice. It's what everyone wants to improve.
People learn words, they learn grammar, but they say, Paul, I can't speak. I am nervous.
That's right. Learning words is like having the ingredients, but speaking is like actually cooking the meal. It needs practice.
And it's perfect for English practice. We'll give you simple, easy ways to speak more every day.
But before we start, we have a small request.
If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button. A big thumbs up.
And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Learn English Easy Way.
It helps us so much. And please share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, Paul, speaking practice. Let's start with the first and most important step.
And that is listening. You must listen to speak well.
Listen to English music. Listen to English podcasts like this one.
Listen every day. When you cook, when you walk, when you travel to work. Listening is the first step to good speaking.
Now, Paul, what is the easiest way to start speaking when you are alone?
The easiest way is to talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself?
Yes, you can describe your actions. For example, I'm making coffee now. I'm putting sugar in the cup.
Or say your thoughts. I am tired today. I think I will wear the blue shirt. This is called self-talk.
It is good practice because you don't worry about mistakes. No one is listening.
What is the next practice tip?
Shadowing. This is very powerful.
Shadowing means you copy what you hear. Listen to a short sentence from a podcast or a video. Then you say the exact same words immediately.
Copy the words. Copy the speed. Copy the sound, the pronunciation.
It trains your mouth and your ears. It helps you sound more natural.
But Emily, what if I don't have a real person to speak with?
Use technology. You can talk to a language AI app or a website. You ask questions and the AI answers.
Wow, like a conversation partner that is always available. That is very useful.
And another good way is to record yourself.
Record? Oh no, I hate the sound of my own voice.
Yes, but it is important. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Then listen back.
I can hear my mistakes. I can hear if my pronunciation is good or bad.
Exactly. You become your own teacher. Paul, many people are afraid of making mistakes.
This is the biggest problem. Listen, everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are good.
Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Think of a baby learning to walk. They fall down many times. Do they stop? No.
You must be like the baby. Fall down, make a mistake, then stand up and try again. Don't be silent. Speak.
Try to speak English for just 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes is easy.
Speak about your day. Talk about the weather. Order food in English at a restaurant. Use English whenever you can.
Remember, practice is not about being perfect. It's about being fluent.
Thank you everyone for listening.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast from Learn English Easy Way.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to practice speaking?
Do you talk to yourself or do you use an app?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time, Paul.
Bye, Emily. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.